Don't move it too much.
I never touched the camera. Hello guys, we are going to
Not too close.
with our classmates and with my brother and me.
It's got wide angle, so.
First, we're not classmates.
So this is Ange's bike. His brake. Ange's bike. His bike.
We're fixing my brother's bike.
I'm not again.
Hi.
His bike fell off. His
Hey,
brake.
why did you end the video?
Now it's on.
His brakes
I just
fell
said
off.
hi.
So now I gotta see
Fix it.
if it'll work.
I can see what you're recording. You
Yeah.
know the people
Shush,
are
shush.
hearing?
Nice. He's
Okay.
fixing the bike. Let's see if it works. Ange, hop on it.
I don't even use it.
Hop on the bike and no, just lift up the stand.
Lift up the stand.
Hop on the bike. He's in some trouble. Okay. Try just riding it. And like reverse and yeah.
Reverse. I have no reverse. You have to do brake. Just brakes. What?
Okay, we fixed it. We fixed it. Yay.
Now we're going to go to the lake. Bike ride to the again.
Alright guys, this is my gang.
I don't.
Say hi guys.
Hi guys. Hi.
So we're gonna go for a ride to the lake where we normally go. Hopefully they behave and watch where they're going when they're crossing. What's your name, man?
Prashant.
Prashant.
Friend of him.
Laurel.
Laura and
Did you forget about me?
And-
I'm Raylan.
I know.
Fred, I'm not dumb. Well, I don't believe. I'm done. Oh, I agree with that.
Hi.
Hi. Hello. Come on, let's go.
Which way?
Let's
This way, guys. We're going to the lake, remember?
go to the lake. Bye-bye.
Hi.
At least I'm not dead by the time.
We're crossing the giant gap. Say hi. Say hi.
Give us the go.
Prashant,
Say hi.
Hello. Daddy, next time you go to the light.
We're crossing this giant, dangerous road.
Ah! Flies everywhere on my leg.
What happened? I know.
Hi. You can see also. Hi.
We're finally at the lake. As you guys can see, it's a beautiful view. We'll go to that little spot over there first. But we finally made it to our destination, right, Ella?
Yeah, man. So you gotta do it like this.
Wait, can I hold it?
The view is amazing here.
It's like
We have a long way to go because
so
the lake is massive.
It's so close.
So mga guys, dito yung riding lugar namin. Take the kids here. Ito yung kaibigan namin, si Prashant. Prashant, let's catch up.
Okay, let's do this.
So we go here every
We're going to a playground.
kada mga dalawang araw.
What are you saying?
Ito kami nagra-riding.
We're going to the playground and we're gonna hang around there and then we'll see where we go next.
Dito yung naglalakad yung mga tao. Mga aso nila.
You can see the playground from here. We're gonna mess around, have some fun, and we're going to
Minsan nagpi-fishing.
subscribe, like, and hit the bell below, and so you don't miss out on any following videos. And also remember to subscribe to Jelly Plays, capital J, and this is my friend. Come to the I don't know why, guys, but she's being really weird and she's not doing the sit-ups properly. My brother doing this, what is it called?
Chest press.
My brother's doing the chest press pretty well. Nice. And morale is, what is that called?
Hydraulic stepper.
He's doing a hydraulic stepper. Not that fast. And Raylan is now moving on to biking.
Yeah, definitely.
Hi guys, now Elle is gonna be doing some pull-ups.
Now it's about ready.
Let's.
We can barely do it.
We don't know how he does this. He's just a god.
3, 2, 1.
Muscle god. He dropped his phone, but that's
I
okay.
don't have muscles.
I got his phone. He dropped it, and
Wait, I think I know how to do it.
and yeah,
That's so weird.
he's doing that type of dip. Or what's the other way? What's the other way? Elle, show us.
Ah, don't put your leg on it.
Which one's harder, do you think?
This is hard.
Nice. We'll see you guys in a bit. We're just gonna have some fun in here.
Ito kami guys sa park. May exercise gym. May tennis. At saka mga obstacle course dito. Pwede mag-training dyan ng kickboxing, basketball.
Gosh! Everyone was chasing me. Spy!
27?
Oh, that's pretty good. It was 33. Before, so pretty good. The lake is beautiful. If it was like a sunset on the lake, oh, that would look amazing. Don't you know that little cathedral? Bye.
He said,
Amazing views. Come here, it's outro, but this is the end of the bike ride. We'll see you guys next time, and hopefully we'll see you guys next time we do something fun.
Yep.
See ya.
See ya. See you in the next Bye. Bye. See ya.
Bye, guys.
Where you going, Laurel?
No.
I'm just gonna record the way home for you guys, and yeah, see ya. Yep. Yeah, I am 13.
We watch our videos in Wonderful.
Yeah, subscribe, like, and today was a great time. Watch the road. Million skip videos. That one has 700. That's so much little like scoops. Sorry. Sorry, this video was so much fun, guys. I really had a blast with my friends, and yeah, we had a blast.
People work over there. I'm doing them.
Not us. And yeah.
You pressed the button.
Yep.
Last bye. Say bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye, people. We'll see you next time. Peace. First, we're going to show you the way home. Dangerous cars. Giant playground at Zagamis is very fun. Guys, I'm recording, so quiet down.
Oh, look, green bird. And the green bird that fly over me, my head.
Iron. It's dead. Here we go.
Go, quick.
Quick, Laurel. Guys, move. Oh, no. Doing pretty well. It's 5%. We need to hurry up. Waylon, oh no. Oh no, guys, the battery's full. 5%.
Around that noon. Actually, wait for it to go ahead for a second.
Wait for it.
Go.
I'm not gonna shake the camera. One-handed bike ride, not that hard, just learn. %, guys.
Oh, I saw a rat! I saw a rat!
Rat.
I saw a rat there! Whoa! I saw a rat!
Raylan is a
I saw a rat! I actually saw a rat! I saw, oh, the bird is still there. Hello. I don't remember that.
Little bird. McCafe. That's how you pronounce. Raylan, it's McCafe. Raylan, I'm gonna say bye. Hello guys.
Wait, break.
Sad, but say bye.
Bye.
It's 1%. We'll see you guys later. We'll see you guys later. I hope. This is sad for us, but battery's about to die and we'll have to end the video here. Last percentage, say bye.
Bye.
I saved it.
Bye.
Alright guys, that's it. We're home.
Next video.
Safely. Thanks for Sean. Thanks buddy. You got your water bottle? Alright buddy. See you man. See you guys.